Bacteria cytoskeleton. Bacteria actin stabilizes the shape. Endospores. For survival and not reproduction. But in fungi, they are also for reproduction. Bacteria has two stages. The vegetative stage, where it's just growing and vegetating. And then there's the sporulation, where it's like popping out and becoming resistant. Bacteria becomes resistant if this occurs, or better yet, stimulates when it's deprived from amino acids. That's what triggers it to become sporulation. It takes 6 to 12 hours for bacteria to transform from vegetative to endospore. Endospores are resistant to extreme heat, cold, drying, radiation, and chemicals. Process of endosperms. First, the chromosome is replicated. Then the cell is separated into two parts: the forespore, like the foreskin, and the endospore within. The endospore begins to engulf the forespore, hoggy little critter. Sporangium makes new layers. Cortex layers are deposited. How are they deposited? Because as the spore grows, it creates cortex-eating enzymes. And it eats up the cortex of the endospore, and therefore it's exposed to the nutrients, and then it's able to go into the vegetative stage because it's able to grow from these nutrients. Sporangium is lost, and the spore swells and goes into vegetative state. Classification of bacteria by shape. Coccus, circular ball-shaped. Rod. Bacillus is similar, obviously, or rod-shaped. A gently curved bacillus is called a vibrio. A coccus, which is short, a rod which is short but pudgy, so it's sort of like a coccus, and a bacillus is called a coccobacillus, cucubacillus, short and fat as cuckoo. Sporome, spiral shape. There are many types of cocci. There's a dicocci, which is 2 together. Tetra, 4. In chains of a few hundred is called streptococci. Cubical packets of 8, 16, or 32, Q, is called a sarcina. Palisades are a chain of coccus attached to a hinge. NAMs and AGs. One peptidoglycan is a monomer, has a minimum of 1 NAM and 1 AG.